Good morning, Mimo Bibiachi. Ediba Nanakwa Kubon Sam Asye. And then many abri papa, my near Brit is a crowdroom, my near Brepa. Actually, say, and ye may be cause of Ghana, Mam has say, Yampe hope, Massibra. A betum libino. Yet decide near to an Dani Uwu, Dane, and Emma Bonnet, Ewo, or my conclude Ghana, Massy. Na enie ma bi koso ye wa asofuru bi ogana wo ma jimi pa wo mu ni answer wo me yesebe enkwasiafo mu agimifo ewo oman konkron Ghana fase ya na ye mpanyifo bi so me very good educated na de me ane se mo ko school mo bo master degree mo bo PhD mo be ministers mo be ansa na mo be pa adwuma ye no na obi sole ekine bia ka se oyesofu bia na yedina adwene na yedi amano na Ghana fo ni edi na chi na ne men kasa kase if asema meka no I'm so desperate and so very mebu ofu chese mebu ofu pa mebu ofu o Ghana Blaster Afcon ya yekoyi wo sofu etima kase ayi omuchenji ye enyemasem captain omuchenji ye I don't care about it but so fusi watima hu yi kire se ye captain band asede ni enfiri obinsam na yi captain band enfiri obinsam ne de mani pa fofra se nipa no mom ane betabo Ghana ba nyankopon anya nkire sofo ne se Ghana for ye kwa ye ni beni form se enfiri kire ye beni form se enfiri kire ha yawo amiko gumuzam se me metima dwonso kura du krom ho no beni form se ye no ye ne wom ekobobo kura be tutu so front man hye ho nkom wen kopot man nya nkire no se ye ne beni for ebebobo la ebe sei yanti bi ewo Ghana ha enti search of na wo ka se nye captain bet enfiri obi sam ne mfama eye dede ayu no na eye ye coach akwasi apia eto fa sa romodem no so no the technical point of order of checking the ball on the ono anasem and or the checking here entiende I don't care about it ni nyina ye Ghana for seven obi nima obi kire oye na abwa but say we this of na kire sofo mi say osofo first match ayembo ebe ye say no I'm so disappointed with him say coach akwasi apia e wo say obi say ewrade yi ye ko Bible kra na emra nyankopɔ ka say omunko no omunkoko na omukɔ no womukoko a omedi ncho anaso omedi kum na ewrade nyankopɔ ka kyerɛ m say ɛko amukoko no mubedi nkunti monko oduru ba bi wo say mukum bi kromo nipa nyina mo hyo ma say na ye de Ghana ha ye tie asofo ka asemane ye di akiri ye ka asemane ye di akiri me be say asofo na wo say ye coach ne nkom say wonye Ghana Blaster captain band no efra samwaja nsam no on consult to say before it is too late na ye who say ball e koboy na ye this ayi say mo ye for e go for no koboy na ye no mo na anu ye koboy say Kamalu say hini fu say die be fu ye no koboy one for prediction mra any che sofro mra out na wahu ti nyankopɔ timi che se change captain back there nyankopɔ na nkasa prediction de anya ya onyame enyi kire no na yehu yankɔ yempese yebetese it is not confirmed yempese yebetese say so I say obi atigana ha no fɛ no major prophet enkwasi asem prophet obi atigana ha wosɔle ya de asofo panifo bia be ye no wote akura bia siba no afa amamra ne ato major prophet mr musha video no mani abre pa na de mdo nyankopon mini agro di no joke you are very serious Ghana Blaster pa se Ghana Blaster first match ayekobo ball pa we ayanga pia bia boy yantwa hu tela tete Ghana Blaster yenimni Tete Ghana Blaster yenimni e won se nantia no bo mmode na nye said be seven brothers obi a share video no enya modi mba seven te Ghana Blaster body ebe the person te Ghana Blaster wonu obi be hia na kono a mo be kono the first match ebe to abototototo ebi sida mani abre papa me say me be say Ghana fo nyina ati ase say mani pa bi fa ya dwene mai asofo nkwasiafo no binom wo bi didi mi na sene yira mana ni na se woda sore kete so ana ba nyame hye nkom se kwasia onyankopɔ nya hin wo hye nkom onyankopɔ hin fa no nya hye nkom onyankopɔ hin fa na hu no wow ya na omo ya wsi kwakubu me tia Kristo so you have the good prophet awie pray onyankopɔ na mo so jakra what of our so say komama Ghana say change code wo the artist bi wo yi want man hwe no Gary turn the car and no dey to adwane ma akora ni die wo ba art form me say yes wo so say kom kwasi asem ya nam awurade nyankopon ma di pa abotre hwe entaskoko oni pa nso ja tu fufu e wo Ghana ha sei ko cha kwasi apia me wo fa na asem brother no wo be ma me age and I said, no, if I know, and I'm a brother, no, my brother Penino. The Ami catch on the set. Born no catcher will soften the set. Every night it was there, Bono. One say and come. And yes, your bow soon, I'm a train, me metranqua. Mania break to the Mabo Botan. We should your quabi chiminos watch. Welcome you. So, mania break is a problem, my better. This is not joke. This is not prayer forms. I'm very serious. And I'm very seriously. That's why I'm talking like that. I'm man with gentry, man with respect. And near my yasofu be your Ghana hano. It's unfair. And yet, I'm a woo what your coaching course. I do a dear tram, how do I do a machi? Hey, was such a country say, you see. Was yasamakwa. Woma kwanchira mbe ma yete Ghana ha ana yedi niema gu okwam yenim de ekoso owiase yenim de eba ne de eko na de pese me kire ne se onyankopon Bible say me be se me ka se mi chekosi apia wonu sofu na ntimi wan hyenko bia me man quotation yeko difo Jeremia etire ye odunan chichemu dunan Jeremia chapter 14 verse 14 e koma sofu na wo chen kom say Ghana yentendi eye captain band no wo se nyankopon de yikire no sesia yetie nyankopon so do aka chemi ka kumu sa no pai wo nyankopon misumi da sori ya na osimi kwan no misi nyankopon was yes Kwaku my brother I want to tell you this tell the Ghanaians okay let's go Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 14 then Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 14 yewra ko chekwasi apia ba bia wo bia tekuteshi wi nekenkan misumi sole a misumi ni motia ba me ne be kasa ene me ni ho so na efrefre froko me ni motia ba ne be kasa me motia ba shatawale me be ka che motia ba shatawale se omo nyoma ba ne Ghana Blaster ansana wo ba nyom ne nne efi ne kosi ayi ye fe say Saturday e be ball how many days one for charge nom the suprematical song. The song of automatic song, the song of the powerful song. Na nyomo woman in yet say gospel kakrano. No for Jamaica crane and shema. What I say? Miss Moti Akitwani Shetawale, Miss Makachi is here. Say Sata. Can you Ghana Blaster? Ne who say also you powerful. Na kuna yakono. Enya na ko ye nika kawuga gafo na egosia. Na so fun kind olu. Adien Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 14 Then the Lord said unto me, the prophet prophesied lies in my name. No, say radical tell me say. Na radical tell me say. Radical tell me no price Kwaku Sabe. Catch him. The prophet prophesied lies in my name. I sent them not. Men kasa men chira men suma Obi copy non fa musuma me e mi ni ataba ga no fi musuma I sent them not say video obi a share video no neither have I commanded them neither have I commanded them. Me say one. Neither spoke unto them. Me kasa me chokra. They prophesied unto you a false vision and declaration and things of and to deceive of their heart. No for back to my baba trementmanka and where you pronounce this in this one. Well, and this also what's in Uncle Point yet just change Captain Bettino. Captain Bet me a year friend say, yeah, papa be pay me yadan papa or you super. The money na yemianum eti adana kwa bi kididi na tema na mpese ka pusa asofunu kuno. Wow, na wiase enokreka etisa ponche ba ade no. Hwe kata to bebe yi di kwa na ya bebe rudu nesim. Gana yempe no kreka. Wo man Gana ha yempe no kreka. Eti apese sofo no. Offer the prediction mra. Some match a year company a Saturday. Say and the baby. One for the prediction mra papa so who said will be ye body ekobono ye change captive bed ye say na no so yakopon adawruma Jordan nini nuanom they did well, they done good job pa o my yadi yakopon hira omo for the good job that they done o my yadi. Now I'm talking about those false prophets. Akwanchira mo kire se kochekotapia me ofa me bere panyi ko nyina amfa. So why if you use your own technical knowledge, your own dysmatical knowledge ka bibia koso me ni moti ane kasa sesia me moti akjefen shatawale me ni shatawale kasa sesia shata. I'm talking to you now, my brother Shatawale. I love you so much, and you know in my heart. Me back, you say me back. No, send me two bedia. Me back, me yes. It is your brother. And I'm talking to you. I told you you are the drafts, the small drafts. Bring a song. A basic jama. Na yamfama blaster. Na a year you could boy a couple of years, near the Bissua Ghana. Fanyum Jama Numbra. Not of Roshan Comno, Yahoo, who is prophet. What's in their fruits we shall know that. And your sofa, 8 minutes, my yet Ghana ha, no some control. I don't know, just a boy like Comono, about you. Why you are pastor? You didn't prophesy that the boy that we're going to pray is true. As of foot list. Now the best Kwaku Bonsambe 2010. Kwaku Yabe 24. Kwaku Sebe say. Kwaku Sebe say. You was of a good for her. Ghana. You were the native prophet for Papa before we womb. And you woman, some woman in my now almost says to me what we say, Paddy in your moon. I like in your moon. Now we should come, we know about crown channel. Now was as of way, who see what same come. Actress on in the way or heno. Gano, get Cassia Cocono when it took Sukusuku said, Akmada Busia feel we broke now. One in the way, what channel? And said that those pastors who are prophesied in Ghana here, some are liar. The one who prophesied for the Ghana blaster, he said, very liarization. On per se, always, you come as a TV show, you come as a media, you better that is stupid idiot. You want the pastors who prophesies good, not lying. That is why I say, obviously, uncle, TV Joshua, now come on, Payama Ghana blaster, I'm Nigeria for no TV Joshua. Nigeria for to one. I don't know more Payama Nigeria for. Why did he pray for Nigerians to win the AFCON? Now, Sham come say, you see. Sham come see. When you pay a boto, and I Kajani Aboto. Yeah, when we do such a thing, we should not give our mind to people. We understand. The way you go to your coaching course, look at the old days. We have to do something better. I was saying we have BBC. If we say, the so called this guy, they know a DFA for penny preference. On preference. They are not scotchini. I saw this guy. Sir, now so on 1 year. And all you say, why near Mabia when you call for Franaba. I didn't know why you didn't do something better. Emma was a be on 1 year. Nay, say, Moko to a younger peer papa, so not better. Nay, never bunch of good anybody. Now, your friend said, one o'clock to feel like a seven cars home to me. Meoha, come ye say, you should do something. You should do something. Even when you married, if a marriage say, next Obana, no. And the woman cannot perform when now we go marry another small girl. The girl cannot sit on you to chew you up. You have to suck him off. Go and find out. Then the same tonight, they never rule. So no more. And I'm talking to the Banner Blaster. Means I know you are going to watch this video. And I'm serious. The footballers, you should all put our mind together as one. This is an Africa. We are one nation, one people, one destiny. You understand? And we are Ghanaians. This is the act of Kofi Powers. I'm the CEO of Kofi Powers. Once we pray for Ghana Blaster. We pray for Ghana Blaster. For them to perform well. To put their mind together as one. Because we are all Ghanaians. Misramo, moment mamo campo, mon camwa dinimum. Mon kamwa dwunu mom Serbia bia bekoso coach mesraw ball e bebo no fa samwajan enye se bia betata samwajan ti no mi taw bia chi ma samwajan start ball e ba betum se kayo mani start ball ni bi woni wo mu nyira gira nim ho de ayu dede ayu Jordan you, Asamoah you, Akwana ni pesa media me this year say you know. Our boss have been called Bleffin. The Okoyi prison for no Yankupon Shran. O Yankupon was a Usika winner and on fine young 7 passia 7. What the boy Yamia Juma? Wait, any cousin Yankupon Shra warm. Wait. And yes, so far, Quasia, what will be on myself, went to my reno. One will be on him, went to my Renasa Mishenka, one commercial Amagana. Poo. Now the boy for me, two basilization, 8 Mission Comagana Mani. Shut! Magazine Morgana, I see. Will be no be any more artist, I will actress, as saying actress. I won't again. 1 hour, am I getting it on the car? 12 years. Metro Fagans is your force. 12 years was an to the Bianamo, chill me. As you call yourself the man of God, Samission Comagana, semi prophetic. Not to be as I'm your good as also visit time. Bible so on so. Hey, family, where did God send you? God didn't send anybody. We catch you praying for. Jeremiah chapter 16. Jeremiah chapter 16. Jeremiah chapter 23, verse 16. 23:16. We are not going to Yankopon, or you will know who more block what you are to make away walk. Jeremiah chapter 23, verse 16. 23:16. Was that said the Lord of hosts? Hacking, as that said the Lord of hosts, hacking not into the words of the prophet that prophesies unto you. They make you vain. They speak a vision with their own heart. What they speak a vision with their own heart, their own heart, not out of the mouth of the Lord. If you are not ready, you can't. Oma kuma masem no ka say yesi. Se huna akwa. Me so si bi boti aketwa de Shatawale atema me ketwa anya ma me no bedwa pa. Me sew efiri ne Shatawale Stone Boy efiri ne ay sa akode efiri ne egosi Saturday yehia enyom momma enyom Jamanyam kakra ayese Christian song kakra ye betim dia degedege ni afa mo emini Peter Paradise na ti sen Peter ohun ya de na no wo de no ba ma me ma nya mfro fa che me wi amefro ni edi ko ye monyum no e magana ye monyum no me moti asete wale makasa kire no o monyum magana so ba tete kwa ye monye hwe ye besi na so fro o se nkom se ye ko ese ni seti ni amfa because ye ni abre akono e wo se boko ye nim eni kwase e tema to 20 university say but all the Africans eyes on Ghana. All the Africans eyes na just omo hwe Ghana. Obia ni hwe Ghana achi. They are follow Ghanaians. Why are you sitting down there? Now so far for hello coach akwasi abia on ta kwankyere na me kire wo no mo kwa oire no ya fa bi petepete wo ba bia prayers ni be fa wate yesi obwa mo goto fanta keke fanta keke just put the fanta on the ground we say ready yankopon mungika Psalms 136 verse 1 to 6. Psalms 136 verse 1 to 6. Mungika Psalms na yenhwe se na mo pe fanta keke na mo fa mufo mo mompa yitri yankopon mo yusu Psalms 136 verse 1 to 6. Monkin kan ho me say akwankyra me de mamon me new Peter Paradise osenya me shall Peter Mdasipa. Let everybody read Psalms 136 verse 1 to 6. TSC was give thanks into the Lord for his good, for his mercy endures forever. Oh, give thanks to God of gods, for his mercy endures forever. God of gods, his mercy endures forever. To whom alone create the deathless, and his mercy endures forever. Brofun boy na sumit min kan ma bon pa. O man kan kan honi hwade. Me se me ko bon sam na mjina yi. Any Psalms. Psalms artificial Psalms 136. When you grab it when they're singing 136. Sing 136 a little number 2 sure cry. Psalms 136. I say a little number 2 sure. What I say? Enti say Ghana for every prayers on we said in the Ghana. Now there was a prophet and also no one so out or funny predicting. Me person on your video say. On your video say yes, say the me towards your video say me so first me sham come say bola Ghana ko bono ebe 6-1 ebe 3-2 ebe 3-4 ebe 3-5 ebe say dey hwe BBC ye hwe BBC o she bomla no ma sham kom dey fa hwe so dey hwe ade because we need a good prophet, not a prophet awo no ba. You cannot take good care of your children. You want good prophets. The person God spoke from A. Vote it out. You need such a person. You don't need a person who accommodates. He is hungry. He needs food to eat. No. In Ghana, I said, I don't want to talk. People say, why you don't talk? Why you don't talk? I will come and talk, and the people will see that I talk truly. Go just up here, Miss Siro. Yes, Abua no and what the pin. Abua ni and what the pin. Mammy got to meet you. Sir, yeah, Abua no what the pin. Anka obi said seven brothers footballers now be old nyano can be a soccer woman. Now so I have trust in you. And I know in my spirit that you can do something good for the nation Ghana. And people are fighting against you in spiritually that you cannot do it. But you go do it. I promise you, you go do it. I'm not those fake prophets. Some fake prophet that will prophesy to you. No. That you believe on them. I'm traditional priest, the most powerful traditional priest in the world. The one and the only Kofi from Kofi Shrine, the CEO of Kofi Shrine. I'm the one who is speaking now. Hey, me am Kradu, Oba Pamambruni, now what to say? Who can meet one catch? My feel set to come, my feel set to. I'm Kradu Papa. You understand? This is the CEO of Kofi Shrine speaking now. And this is no bring your phones. I'm telling you seriously. Read Psalms 136, verse 1 to 20. Verse 1 to 6. Psalms 136, verse 1 to 6. Read what? Nyashade. Yenyabre. The watam for na hye the amount for kutia se wo e ka se na kofi yenkofa we ene enye se na ai ene yekofa ya ka you don't need that. You don't need performance. The boys perform good. No, we need goals. Go send by boys no want to move but much go and Cameroon for the Ghana for Yanko Power boy. Ye ni ya show mo 3-2. Na ye na ayete na de boys no ma popo pa so anko ye obisha wo amazing. You don't want that. In spiritual aspect, the bia meka se so far ye be na we be wu na we be say no. Why and then 7 people HIV AIDS or call hospital, the doctor will come on radios and TVs and say that this person have HIV AIDS. The Yankopons what the prophecies be mawa. She's not gonna talk on the nationwide. She talk to him privately. Now can you quotation over Bible quotation on Bible can turn over Bible need you. It now so them now Ezekiel chapter 42 verse 6 says obey call name you don't want that. You're all Ghanaians. You're one nation, one people, one destiny. Yeah, my milk, I'm a tunka sienemo. Me dosa chinchina quine. What she and to better time, you know, usually now I'm dog. You understand? So we all the Ghanaians, you have to put our minds together. You have to focus. Anything you do in this world, you have to focus. We should not blame, we should not give our mind to people. And what's a Ghana for? Ye dear free so they say bra. Says of we shall Canadian Napu. Go Ferman came for being when yara. Shatawale, your brother is speaking. SM for life. I told you. I told you that this is your brother Nakwa Sam. May the God really bless you and guide you and protect you. But bring the song from today to tomorrow to Saturday. Because today I think it's a Friday. And Friday, I think Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. So in any channel, Fanyoman Bra, name Ghana Blaster, Celebia. Would drop ya, Miss Roya, Mama Sontiu. Yes, I would drop her, Mammy, to Fantagame.